Hello MTraders, I'm glad to see you again. The GBP/USD pair is sliding towards the 1.38 area as the dollar is gaining strength. A break below the 1.37 support level is inevitable as Ken dollar seems unstoppable. The GBP/USD pair remained depressed near the 1.3815 region and failed to gain any respect from the better than expected UK's job data. For the gold markets, gold extends its previous week's bullish movement into Monday, rallying further to the highest level since August 6th at $1,789 per ounce. Now, on Tuesday, the 17th, US retail sales holds the key to the next direction of gold. That's all for today. Like and subscribe to this channel. Trade safe and stay safe.